latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
A new research has shown that feeding coral reefs with good probiotic bacteria can help the corals tolerate the rising ocean temperatures. Scientists have said that they have proved the feeding of beneficial probiotic bacteria increases the overall health of the coral reefs and saves them from bleaching. In the latest lab test, coral reefs that were fed the probiotic beneficial microorganisms were in better health than the corals that were not. The process is similar to feeding humans probiotic yogurt. The research and the new findings will provide a ray of hope for the survival of corals, especially in the Great Barrier Reef, which is showing its third mass bleaching in a span of 5 years. The experiments and the research is backed by the Great Barrier Reef Foundation, a non-profit organization that aims to save the world's largest coral reef system. People may be surprised to find out that just like us, corals rely on a host of good bacteria to help keep them healthy, and just like us, the balance between good and bad bacteria is often disrupted in times of stress. Probiotics have been widely and successfully used to improve both human and animal health. However, their use in marine ecosystem has been largely unexplored until now. Saving the reef is a huge task, and this pioneering research project is just one of the ways that we are making a real difference with our partners. Researchers experimented on the corals by injecting them with beneficial microorganisms before they were ingested by zooplanktons. This will help to understand which groups of bacteria are the best for each different species of corals. Researchers are also investigating methods to scale up the application of the bacteria on coral reefs. Researchers have said that the current rate of survival of corals is very low, and it is important to give them a health boost. The survival rate of these corals once they are out on the reef is currently quite low, so giving them a health boost while they are in the sea simulator will boost their chance of survival. As temperature of the oceans rise, it stresses the corals. In order to survive, the corals release the algae that lives inside them. Algae is responsible for providing energy to corals. When the algae is released, corals turn white and look like bones. The process is called coral bleaching. Bleached corals are at higher risk of dying due to climate changes, as the bleaching has become common and occurs multiple times in a short span. Repeated events of coral bleaching will have a devastating effect on marine life, as the event reduces the availability of food and shelter for many marine species. Injecting probiotic bacteria to corals is a temporary solution, as the bigger problem is climate change.